Craftmade TXL ceiling fan in Roblox went out to my new Roblox house. This one out to this one in my bedroom, you can tell by the walls. Turn it on low. So here's low. It takes a while to speed up. Well, that's a pretty good build if they're not the best, but still pretty good. This replaced a south wind and white left because it died. Sorry, my battery charging keeps on when it's plugged in. Unplugged. Sorry about that. Doesn't want to work. There we go. No, it doesn't have a very fast roll speed though. It's boy. This is medium. Still takes a really long time to start up. I don't know why the pictures are just kind of like a cheap builder. Yeah. Not a very fast thing though. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's from that Ola breeze in the master bedroom. Which I'm going to be replacing soon. Yeah, that's a medium, pretty much medium. Here goes high. Here is how fast it goes. Here's how fast it goes. It doesn't go very fast though, but still not the best, but pretty good, I say. But not going very fast at over. This fan doesn't have a light. I need to get a light fixture in here beside it. So yeah, I'm just saying. And that's all the way high. Now let's go turn it off. That's it. Bye.